Hi guys, so this is about battery preconditioning. If you go to the energy app in your car, you see an option of battery preconditioning. Now earlier I was not sure what this is, then I did some research and I came to know that this is a very essential feature for the battery health over a long period of time. So what this battery preconditioning thing does is it basically cools your battery when it is at a very high operating temperature, and if the temperature of battery is very low, then it basically increases its temperature. So there is a sweet spot of a particular temperature that different batteries require to operate at their optimal sense or in optimal way. So this battery preconditioning basically does that for you. There is a fan, I would say, somewhere in the bonnet, which in India typically the temperatures are generally hot for most of the area that we live in. So this fan turns on when you are charging, and if the battery temperature is high, it will turn it on. The fan will turn it on itself, and it will start cooling the battery. Once it will reach a optimum temperature, only then it will start passing in the current to your battery so that it can charge. So I have observed it multiple times while charging, and I thought I will share it with you. So if I would suggest that it is a good option to have. That's why company has given high-end cars like Tesla and some of the Mercedes, like the G-Wagon electric version. All of them have this feature, and company recommends to use it. It although consumes some power from your battery while charging, because of that thing for cooling and heating purposes, but when it comes to the health of your battery for over a longer duration of time, I think it is worth it. Let me know if you have any questions around it. Thank you so much.